Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the controller settings in Destiny 2. To change the controller settings, first open the Games option menu. Do so by pressing this button right here, pressing the escape key or the corresponding key on your keyboard or controller. Then, once in the Games option menu, go into Settings. In Settings, make sure you're in the controller section. Here, if you have controller connected, you will be able to change movement controls and button layout. For them, simply click those buttons right here and you'll be taken to another tab, as you can see here, and there you will be able to change your keybinds just like here. Except for that, we have look sensitivity, which you can change between 1 and apparently 20. I'll set it to 10. ADS sensitivity modifier, which you can set from 0.5 to 1.5. I'll leave it back at 1. You can invert your vertical inversion and horizontal inversion, as in the Y and X axis. You can change, or rather toggle autolook centering. You can change your sprint turn rate, increase it to increase the turn rate, so you can turn sharper corners. You can enable or disable the controller vibrations. You can change the double press delay. As you can see, one is 200 milliseconds, 230 milliseconds, second is 275 milliseconds, etc, etc. You can set it from 1 to 5, where 1 is the lowest delay. You can set your axial dead zone, as the setting states. It changes how far L and R need to be from the Y or X or Y axis before the input is registered. A lower value will be more responsive, so lowering this will increase your sensitivity, basically, for precise movements. And you can change the radial dead zone for L and R on the controller, and it works in the same way. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.